So these are from 2007, and as you can see they are very used, abused, beaten up and not really looked after. I lost the disc from the top, as you can see there, it's missing. They're covered in dust and crap where they've just been at the back of the wardrobe for the last 4 or so years. But these were £150 in 2007, and I could actually still use them. The inside's still pretty fine, they're actually still comfortable, they're very heavy, but what do you expect when they're that big? Now these next ones are my everyday pair. As you can see, they're getting scuffed there. That was black, now it's going like copper brassy kind of colour. They're starting to get worn out on the toes, all along here, around the back, sort of crushed down, it's losing its colour. The inside's still fine, they're very comfortable. These are my everyday Nurox. Still got that metal bit on the bottom there, I like that. These are the everyday, and they're about £150, £160 off of eBay. They've got the skull buckles on the side, which I really like. They're even starting to get a bit damaged now, but these are about 4 or 5 years old and still going strong. Nurox seems to be the brand of shoe that I rely on the most. I'll insert some pictures of the other Nurox that I've owned, and I'll show you them as well. This is the box that I'm going to be opening up and showing you my new Nurox. The box that they come in. These are about £140 off of eBay. The only thing I have about the box is this is a completely different boot to what's inside on the sticker. The size is right, it's a completely different make of boot, so you know they didn't sort that out. It's just an eBay seller though, so let's open it up. So again, this is the box. This is how it came packed. These beautiful boots. Now I'm going to pull out one. Show you just the one. But here we go. Silver skull buckles. All the laces not tied yet. They got a piece of foam in them. Brand spanking new. With all the bits there. Bit of grip on the bottom by the look at that, if you can see it. Not metal there, which I'm a little bit disappointed about. But again, for about £140, with the postage included, not too bad. Anyway, I think Nurox are worth the money. I think it's well tested. I've been wearing Nurox since 2003, so I think I know what I'm talking about when it comes to buying Nurox. They are way better than Demonia and any other boots that I've tried. But the only other boots you're going to get that are going to last as long as these is probably Dr. Martens. But they're a whole different style, because Nurox is so much better looking than Dr. Martens ever. But that's my thoughts. See you in the next one.